Everybody, I'm sorry. Guess what I got? I got the Daron Construction New York City Subway toy of the MTA. Lego New York City Subway. These are kind of look like Legos, but it's actually owned by Daron. I got it at the Transit Museum store today. It's best lock, Daron. It's compatible with Legos and other type of third-party Legos. This is a construction toy with the MTA New York City Subway. Take a picture of this right here. But enough of that, let me wear my MTA vest. Alright, I got my MTA vest on, and here it is. That's right. New York City Subway Lego. Lego New York City Subway, as you can see here. Let's open it. This side because you can see better than that one. Ready? Here we go. Here's these stickers, as you can see here. Let's see, make sure it's not upside down. Here's the stickers. I'm not sure I'm gonna build this because it's getting late, unfortunately. This video we're gonna get Elinor and Fluttershy because Pinkie Pie ended at 10 p.m. because Pinkie Pie runs 16 hours every Sunday on my channel. Fluttershy, you ready?
Yay, Legos! Lego New York City Subway!
Right, Fluttershy? It's the Lego New York City Subway, or Daron. Right, Elinor?
Yes.
Alright, here we go. I'm not sure we're going to build this because it's going to take a long time. If not, we'll do part 2 tomorrow. I'm going to try my best today, but let's see. I'll see you at the end. Also, everybody, I also got the Hello Kitty surprise egg. I got it at the Kawaii Arcade store in New York City. If not, we'll do it at the next one or tomorrow. Anyways, this will be for the next one. Anyways, I'm going to try to build this. I'm not sure I'm going to have time. Everybody, it took like 1 hour to build, but my subway car is almost ready. But not yet. We have to put some stickers first. I'm going to put it in type up. So here we go. Alright, now my R211 Lego MTA Subway is now ready and finished. Oh wow, it took like a long work. Right, Zeke?
Yeah.
Sub, yes. Leo and Zadie?
Yeah.
And Fluttershy?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, everybody, that's our subway. Lego New York City Subway A train to 8th Avenue Express from Inwood to R211 and Rockaway Beach, Ozone Park, I don't know. Alright, so everybody, hope you like this video, and it's compatible with other Legos. Well, this is like a third-party version of Lego. Oh no, oopsie, so it's almost falling. I'm sorry this is not a little complete, but it's perfect anyway. It's good. Alright, that will be it, everybody. So that's it. Let me move Leo away so. Alright, that's it. Hope you like it. Ding dong. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Next stop, 42nd Street, Port Authority Bus Terminal. 42nd Street, Port Authority Bus Terminal is coming up next. Alright, next stop we're gonna do Hello Kitty quick.